Do you want to know the 3 biggest mistakes I see accounting firms make all the time? And these 3 mistakes are so simple, yet they cause the accountant to be miserable, completely miserable, not live the life that they actually were sought out to do, actually build the business that gives them the freedom and lifestyle that they're looking for. These 3 mistakes are so crucial, and they kind of breathe into each other. But my name's Jonathan Solomon, and I help accountants get more of our ideal clients and scale their practice using digital systems. So these 3 things, really simply, just really quickly, how we're going to get through them. The first one is picking a niche. Now, this is so crucial because you're not, separating yourself from the herd. You're basically the same as everybody else because you haven't picked a niche. You haven't chosen a target market, an industry, or a specific group of people that you want to serve. You have to pick a niche. That's going to help you differentiate yourself, which speaks into problem number 2 that I see. And it's because of, it's also a little bit because you don't pick a niche. You undervalue yourselves so much. Accounting firms, I see an accountants charging basically nothing, virtually running charities, giving their work and their services away for free. So that stuff's really crucial, not valuing yourself. And I think this also speaks into point number 3. And point number 3 is pushing services. I just see accounting firms just pushing services all the time. What you've got to be doing is you've got to pick a niche, find their problems, solve their problems at such a high level. Then you won't undervalue yourself because you know what value you're bringing to the table. You know that you're providing something that no one else is truly providing. And that's by picking a niche. You won't undervalue yourself and you won't push services anymore. You'll actually solve problems. You've got to be, instead of pushing services, push to solve problems. And those are the 3 key steps that I see people make, all the time. Accountants all the time are making these 3 steps. So not picking a niche, just undervaluing themselves and constantly pushing services. So those 3 worst mistakes will lead to just a terrible accounting business where you'll be stuck doing the work all the time. You'll never have time. Your clients won't value you. They'll be constantly, calling you, harassing you and saying why don't you answer my calls? And it's because, you don't value yourselves. You're not charging enough. And at the end of the day, the only way to do that is to first start off by who do you want to serve? Picking a niche, really getting to know them on a very deep level. And that's basically the 3 biggest mistakes that I see accounting firms make all the time. So hope you don't make those mistakes. Let me know in the comments, have you picked a niche? What industry are you looking at? Do you value yourself? Are you undervaluing your services? Do you feel like you need to charge more? And also, what are you doing to solve problems as opposed to just pushing services? Anyways, guys, I look forward to you in the next video. Let me know in the comments what's up and what you want me to talk about next. Looking forward to chatting to you soon. Thanks. Cheers.